Today is Friday, July 23rd. This is the 1967 number 10 Sable Black Fleetwood Eldorado Cadillac steering wheel. This is a full restoration for my friend Joe out in California, and I've gone ahead and connected the unit to power. And this is video number 2 out of a 3-video set where I'm just doing a functional validation test on the rising spring-loaded horn pad. So I've got the unit connected to power with a light bulb here, and when I press down on the horn pad, the light bulb comes on. Same for the other locations. There we go. Realign my metal strips here, which of course are strictly for purposes of the test and nothing more. There we go. So that's the functional validation test of the horn actuation of the fully assembled embodiment of the 1967 as well as 68 Cadillac steering wheel. This unit will be going out to my friend Joe as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado items and over 375,000 Cadillac items overall from 1959 to 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, particularly the tilt and telescopic variants, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, July 23rd. Thank you very kindly.